Hello, my name is Janice. I am a single mom and I have one daughter who is 3 years old. She is my inspiration to work hard every day and provide a better future for her. From my work experience, I worked as a public elementary school teacher in the Philippines for 2 years. I taught math, science, and English to elementary students. During that time, I prepared lesson plans, checked assignments, and help my students improve their reading, writing, and problem-solving skills. My expertise in explaining lessons in a simple and fun way so young students can understand easily. Good communication, classroom management, and being creative in making lessons interesting for kids. Before becoming a teacher, I worked as a helper in my aunt's house throughout my college years until I graduated. I was self-supporting, so I worked while studying to finish my degree. My duties included cooking, cleaning, laundry, and taking care of the house. This experience taught me to be hardworking, responsible, organized, and independent. To my prospective employers, I want to say that I am hardworking, honest, and trustworthy person. I love teaching and also know how to handle household duties. As a single mom, I am very responsible and dedicated to my work. I'm willing to learn new things, follow instructions carefully, and treat your family with respect and care just like my own. I believe you should hire me because I have both teaching and housekeeping experience and I am committed to giving my best in every task assigned to me. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. I hope to work with you soon and be part of your family.